Well, hello there, everyone. Today, I want to tell you about some products from Morganna. These products really rehydrate your skin. This is Morganna's Dehydrated Skin Trio. Let me go ahead and show you up closer a little bit. And in this trio, I have water drops, lemon drops, and illuminating PEA peptides. Now, what this does, it gives you intense moisture to your skin. The water drop serum is made with sea grapes for dry skin. It's for extremely dry skin. It goes ahead and moisturizes really well. Then you have your lemon drops. That main ingredient is the lemon pill, which is a powerful antioxidant that increases collagen production as it moisturizes your dry skin. Now, the very best one that I really love is the PEA Peptide Drops. Some of the active ingredients in that is fractionated melanin that protects your skin against hyperpigmentation caused by different things in your environment, such as blue light damage, including the blue lights that come off your computers, your phone, your tablets that you're working in front of every day. Now, this product visibly reduces dark spots. It also helps with blemishes. It's going to lighten and brighten your skin tone for a more uniform color and texture. It soothes with the moisture, just giving, like I said, your skin a very soft touch, and I'm talking real moisture. This is gonna be, it's healthy for your skin, it's natural ingredients, and it's gonna leave your skin pretty much flawless. And who doesn't like that? Now, as always, I'm going to go ahead and leave the link below, and I want you to check this out. Go ahead and read up on it. This is wonderful. It has no ingredients that you're going to have to worry about. All it is good for your skin. And who doesn't love that? Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.